Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the video of Akira and GL of BGYO doing a song entitled Be Mine. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm really excited for this one, guys, because this is from GL and Akira. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to BGYO, just check on my channel. Hello Aces! So i-check natin yung video na to. So in this one is in studio, so recording a clip. Wow. Grabe yung boses ni JL. Damang-dama mo talaga yung kanta. Ganda ng boses. Ganda din ng song. Wow, the emotions. Woo, Aki. Taas ng boses ni Aki. Grabe, yung emotion. Mafe-feel mo talaga. Sila talaga ang lead vocalist sa BGYO. Ganda ng pagkakanta nila. Wow guys, gusto ko yung delivery nila ng song. Madamang-dama mo talaga yung emotions na nilagay nila sa kanta. Wow, ang galing. Ang galing ng boses ni GL. Pati din kay Aki, ang taas. Si GL, yung boses niya, yung parang makapal ang ano niya, texture ba yun tawag yan? Then si Aki naman yung manipis pero mataas. Parang ang ganda lang nila pagkakanta. Ang ganda nila na boses nilang dalawa. No wonder na sila talaga ang lead vocalist ng BGYO. Wow, ang ganda din ng song. Ganda ng meaning. Ang galing ng pagkakanta nila. Mafe-feel mo talaga kahit nakapikit ka, mafe-feel mo talaga yung emotion. Ito yung ikinakaganda sa song na to or yung pag-deliver nila kasi madamang-dama mo talaga ang kanta. Wow, galing. Galing lang dalawa Grabing Aki, boss Aki. Yung second voice ni JL. Sarap pakinggan. Look, tingnan mo yung mga mukha nila. They are really into the song talaga. Emote na emote. Tangos ng ilong ni JL. Wow! Ang harmonies. Woo! JL! Wow! ganda nila pagkakanta. Wow! Pupugi ng dalawa. Ganda ng kanta. Wow! Enjoy na enjoy ko yung kanta, guys. Yung pag-delivery nila, pag ano sila, parang they're really good storyteller. Parang pagkanta nila, ang ganda lang talaga. Parang parang damang-dama mo talaga yung song. Wow, yung blending ng boses nila, lalo na yung mag-second voice si GL, yung pataas, yung parang falsetto niya, ang ganda, ang sarap pakinggan. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the video of Akira and GL of BGYO doing a song entitled Be Mine. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. So, if you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now!
In the